SAP UI5, How to Get Started. Unlock the power of enterprise software development by learning SAP UI5, the leading framework for building responsive, intuitive user interfaces. To learn SAP UI5, you can follow these steps. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of web development, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Learn about the MVC, Model View Controller, design pattern and how it is used in web development. Study the SAP UI5 library and its core concepts, including controls, models, and data binding. Practice building simple applications using the SAP Web IDE, which is a development environment for SAP UI5. Learn about the different types of controls and UI elements that are available in SAP UI5 and how to use them in your applications. Study the different ways to retrieve and display data in SAP UI5 applications, including OData and JSON models. Learn about the responsive design features in SAP UI5 and how to create applications that adapt to different screen sizes and resolutions. Practice building more complex applications and experimenting with different features and functionality.